na ruthiomi rwao thutha wa gukorwo magikara kana Ruimbo na daci nicio ciakorirwo cikihura kanitha-ini wa idsowe AIC kuria mathikabu a kanitha uyu magakorirwo hamwe kana makinyitanira hamwe na anyiti itemi orodumwe na atongoria angi magakorirwo makigathiriria ikinya riri ria ruriri ruru gukorwo makiamukira kirikaniro kiria gitauritwo na ruthiomi rwao. Ni riboti ya mwanya na iria tukihaririire mwandikitwo Timbacia Rwa
Ni kuuma gikeno na andu gio kuria andu a Ruriri Rwa Pokomo kaunti ya Tana River o ni kurumirira Gutaurirwo gwa Kirikaniro kuri ruthiomi rwao Rwa Pokomo.
Translate the whole Bible. Maana yake ilikuwa tunaona hapa ni kama ambaye ilikuwa watu wengi hawaielewi vizuri. Wajua huku literacy hata ukiangalia mitihani Tana River tuko chini sana.
Atongoria makanitha kuuma gicowero-ini ni maguikinyitie ukongoiri-ini uyu kanitha-ini wa idsowe AIC kuria uingi wa andu ugwikinyitie kuuma gicigo-ini kiu aria maragia ruthiomi riu rwa Pokomo.
Thank you so much. Basi wote tusongea.
Atongoria matiganite ni maguikinyitie matongoretio ni gavana wa kaunti iyo niwe dhadho godhana hamwe na seneta wa Buya Mungutana kuria macokirie ngatho cia mwanya kuria aria matauraga kirikaniro kuri thiomi itiganite niguo gutigirira andu othe ni mamukira kiugo.
The cultural history of our people, all those branches of history, we need to look at them and review and say hapa tumeenda vibaya. So haya ndio maombi yangu ya kwamba Biblia hii itatusaidia sisi kubadilika, tuwe watu tofauti.
Murugamiriri munene wa utauri wa kirikaniro guku bururi-ini niwe Peter Munguti augite ni moete makiria ma miaka 38 na gutaura kirikaniro ruthiomi-ini ruru na makahuthiria makiria ma milioni 140 niguo kurikia utauri ucio.
It's not very easy. It is a very complicated task. And that is why it has taken this 38 years to complete the Pokomo Bible. It is not only complicated and tedious, but also it takes a lot of financial resources. I want to thank God for those who have stood with this project. For the 38 years, we have spent 140 million plus in the actual translation.
Niarikirie na kuga utauri ukoragwo urongoririo gukinyira andu othe gutari na muthundukanio.
This work is not over. We want to have that Bible in audio format. We want you to be able to access it in the internet. We want to be available wherever you can find yourself around the world, so that people can access it, engage with it for discipleship, worship, and for total transformation of their lives.
Ado-ini ha Muthingi TV jitagwo Bacia Rwa
Ni ngatho Bacia Rwa ni tondu wa riboti iyo njega andu othe makorwo magitaukwo